Hi guys, are you looking for the best dog brush for shedding? In this video, we will show the best dog brush for sheddings. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 dog brushes for sheddings you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages, and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dog brushes for sheddings from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DAC Pet's Pet Grooming Brush. Having this dog brush on hand during the shedding season would be quite helpful. Its grip is composed of durable, non-slip rubber, and its teeth are constructed of sharp stainless steel. We were a little worried that the teeth were too sharp and would cause skin abrasions, but the dog we tested it on didn't seem disturbed. Many stray hairs are picked up by the rake-style design. You can apply it every day and before taking a bath. Because of its slightly unusual shape, the long, narrow head can be difficult to move over various body parts and may not be the best option for smaller dogs. However, the thickest and largest sections of the dog's coat responded incredibly well to it. We also like that cleaning is made simple by the head's detachment. Highlights of this product: the long-lasting non-slip handle is comfortable to grasp and control. Excellent for removing hair. It is suitable for pre-bath or regular use. Number 2. Ruff & Ruffus Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. We examined several slicker brushes, and Ruff & Ruffus has the finest. We like how grippy and non-slip the handle was, and we found it to be really comfortable. The stainless steel brushes have protecting beads at the tips to keep your dog's skin from being painfully scratched. This tool was quite effective in removing stray fur and mats, and it was simple to use. The dog we tested it on had a much smoother and softer coat after the grooming session. According to the emphatic wag of approbation, he appeared to appreciate it as well. Additionally, cleaning this slicker is a breeze because all you have to do is press the button to remove the fur that has been caught and retract the bristles. We would unquestionably suggest it to almost any dog owner given the reasonable cost. Highlights of this product: handle is quite comfortable. Safe grooming is ensured by protective beaded tips. Self-cleaning architecture. Number 3. FUR Minator Grooming Rake. The Furminator Grooming Rake was also a hit. Wide stainless steel teeth that rotate for effortless handling and a non-slip ergonomic grip characterize this sturdy tool. Our German Shepherd put it to the test, and it managed to get through some really difficult knots without buckling or shattering. Keep in mind that rakes are not tools for de-shedding. This one, however, contains fangs that are long enough to snare loose fur and penetrate a dog's thick coat. Using it a few times a week is a fantastic way to prevent and remove tangles. The large teeth also make it very simple to remove the hair that has been caught. Highlights of this product: strong structure will endure for many years. Intractable knots are broken by the wide stainless steel teeth. Simple to clean. Number 4. Swihawk Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. The best dog brushes may be found for relatively little money. Despite costing less than $15, this sleeker brush worked on par with, and often better than, more expensive models. The ergonomic handle feels solid and provides a comfortable grip. We discovered that the metal bristles with rubber tips were efficient at removing tangles and robust enough to pierce a double coat. The ability of this dog brush to clean itself makes it truly unique. The bristles retract when the handle button is pressed, causing the gathered fur to practically fall off. Cleaning only takes a few seconds, so you may return to grooming straight away after getting rid of the hair. Even though we found it easy to use on a little dog, the wide head might be a little too big for petite breeds. With this low price, you truly can't go wrong. Highlights of this product: performance is on par with more expensive options. In order to avoid matting and eliminate tangles, bristles pierce the second coat. Time and effort are saved with the self-cleaning feature. Number 5. GoPets Dematting Comb. Grab the GoPets Dematting Comb if you need to remove mats from your dog's coat. This rake-style tool features sturdy stainless steel teeth and a robust rubberized grip. In order to rake through the undercoat and aid in de-shedding, one side has more tightly packed teeth, while the other side has fewer teeth for removing mats and tangles. The effectiveness of it in dematting and detangling the dog pleasantly pleased us, and it didn't seem to harm the dog in any way. Additionally, when we used this tool to comb through the undercoat, it collected an impressive amount of hair. Additionally, cleaning by hand was a breeze. We don't have any issues, other from the high cost. Highlights of this product. For deshedding and knots, a two-sided design is ideal. It is easy to use because to the rubberized handles grip, pain-free for both the owner and the dog. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.